In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit.com for landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished, live landing page you can share with your audience. Start by opening your browser and heading to Kit.com, then navigate to your dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage all your marketing assets. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Grow section. That's where Kit groups its audience building tools, so clicking Grow is the quickest path to everything related to capturing leads and showcasing offers. Inside Grow, select Landing Pages and Forms. This area houses your existing pages and forms, plus the tools to make new ones. To begin a fresh build, click Create New. You'll see options for different asset types. Choose Landing Page. This ensures you're working with a full, standalone page rather than a simple form embed. Next, you'll be taken to the Template Gallery. Browse the designs and pick a layout that matches your goal, whether that's promoting a lead magnet, announcing a product, or collecting waitlist signups. Templates are designed to save you time, so focus on structure and visual style first. You can change the content later. When you find one you like, click Choose to open it in the editor. Now you're in customization mode. Replace the default headline with a clear value proposition, what visitors get and why it matters. Add a supportive subheading that explains the benefit in a sentence or two. Swap placeholder images for your own visuals and set brand colors, fonts, and a logo to keep everything on brand. Edit the call to action button text so it's specific and action oriented, like get the guide or join the list. Adjust form fields to collect only what you need. Fewer fields typically convert better. Tweak sections such as features, testimonials, or FAQs to match your message, and remove anything you don't need to keep the page focused. As you go, preview how it looks on mobile and desktop to make sure spacing, text size, and buttons are easy to read and tap. Double-check links and add concise alt text to key images for accessibility. When you're happy with the design and copy, click Save and Publish. This saves your changes and makes the page live. You'll get a shareable link you can use in emails, social posts, or your bio. If you spot anything to refine, just return to the editor, update your content, and publish again. Your link stays the same. That's it. Your landing page is up and running with Kit.